Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update rent analysis with Mashvisor, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your rent analysis using Mashvisor, first, log in to your Mashvisor account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Property Search tab located in the main menu. In the search bar, enter the location of your investment property. Select the property from the list that appears. Click on the property to open its detailed analysis page. Locate the rent analysis section on the property page. To update the rent estimates, look for the Edit button within the rent analysis section. Click on the Edit button to enter the rent parameters. You will see options to input current rental rates. Fill in the current rent prices for both short-term and long-term rentals. Include potential rental income based on recent market trends. After entering the necessary data, make sure to review the information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click the Save button to apply the updates. Mashvisor will now recalibrate the rent analysis based on your input. You can view the updated analysis directly on the property page. To further refine your analysis, consider utilizing the Comps feature for comparative rental rates. This feature will allow you to assess similar properties in the area to fine-tune your estimates. Once you've finished reviewing the rent analysis, consider downloading or sharing the report. To do this, look for the download or share options available on the page. By following these steps, you can effectively update your rent analysis on Mashvisor to reflect current market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.